Indian billionaire entrepreneur and a Bengalurian Kiran Majumdar-Shaw has suddenly come into the radar of Karnataka Congress politicians. Her fault, she pointed out about potholes and garbage mess in the garden city, as Bengaluru is known. It all started with potholes. Just recently at August end, eminent entrepreneur and founder of Baikan Limited, Kiran Majumdar-Shaw urged the state government and the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagar Palike to fix issues related to garbage and broken roads. Taking to X, she posted, Nama Bengaluru has the best talent and the best weather, but the worst infrastructure. If we fix garbage, debris and roads, we can be among the best cities in the world. GBA has a great opportunity to do this. Let's use collective will to do this. Some days after this, an online trucking company, Blackbuck, announced it was relocating from its current campus of Bellandur office to some other site in Bengaluru due to poor road conditions, particularly potholes. Shaw, reacting to this, called for an urgent intervention of the Karnataka government to improve the city's infrastructure. She was joined by another industrial leader, Mohandas Pai. Big failure of governance in Bengaluru, wrote Pai on X, who is a former CFO of Infosys. Shaw subsequently reposted Pai's post saying, this is serious, emergency measures are needed to fix these issues. She later in another tweet ragged by the issue of garbage mess in Bengaluru. Shaw on October 13th also shared on X that a visiting foreign business executive to Baikan had questioned the state of Bengaluru's roads and garbage management. But this all did not go well with the Congress leaders in Karnataka. From Shiv Kumar to MB Patil to Santosh Lar, all joined hands to target Shaw. Karnataka Industries Minister MB Patil advised Kiran Majumdar-Shaw to do some CSR activities and criticized her for flagging bad infrastructure in Bengaluru. Another minister, Karnataka Labour Minister Santosh Lar, even asked Shaw to be patient and challenged her to post about GST or the union government. Responding to Lard's comment, Shaw said ministers need to be held responsible and accountable for shoddy and slow work. Significantly, leave aside the two ministers, even Deputy CM Shiv Kumar went on to criticize Shaw instead of listening to her concerns. He described her comments as hurtful and anti-national. Show patience instead of blackmailing the government through tweets, Shiv Kumar said. But then, what more can be expected from Congress's leaders? Instead of addressing the issues, they believe in shooting the messenger. Bengaluru is known due to these industrial leaders like Kiran Majumdar-Shaw and not for some petty politicians. But Congress leaders won't learn that.